Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'd like for you to set up your Flipgrid for your seed observations. You'll be making observations on the seed you selected each day for a week. So first thing you're going to do is in our science course in Schoology, go to seeds. You're obviously watching the screencast now, so let's just pretend that Miss Burke has a seed and I'm ready to record on Flipgrid. So I'll click on the Flipgrid link on the green button and I'll start recording. So we'll pretend that I have a seed in my hand. We'll say, this is the seed that I have. I picked the corn kernel. Here are the properties of it. And then I'll finish. You want to, I have a seed in my hand. Go ahead and do like we normally do for Flipgrid. Take a picture. Probably have my seed in my hand. And I'll put my name. So this will be my first video where I'm explaining what kind of seed that I have. Now that I've completed, let's say it's the very next day. Okay, so it's the very next day. I have some observations I've made about my seed. I'm going to click on my first video. I have a seed in my hand, say, this is the seed. And I'm going to add a reply. So I'm going to add the reply. So pretend this is the second day. I know I have the same shirt on, but so this is day 2 of my seed. So I'm going to say, what I noticed about the differences in my seed from yesterday and today is this, 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 and this. So do your video. What I noticed. Do another picture. They want to say this is day 2. This time, instead of putting my name again, I'm going to put the date. So I believe we're starting this 19th, so let me put down September 19. And for the last name, you can just put 2017. And submit my video. So I have a seed in my hand. This video will be the first one about your seed, and then the next one will be September 19th. Then the next day when I observe, I'm going to add a reply, do the same thing. If I want, I can do day 3. I don't know why it's day 3. It doesn't matter about that. What really matters is that you keep putting the date as your name for each response. So then the next day was September 20th. Oops. Submit the video. That way, I have a seed in my hands. You're going to have all of these replies, which will actually be recording the changes you've seen in your seed every day for that week. If you have any questions, make sure that you ask me.